Hi everyone, this is PGSMaths and I'm PH, and today I'm going to be talking to you about factors, in particular the highest common factor. So what is a factor? Well, a factor is a number that will divide into something exactly, leaving no remainders. It's a number that will have that number in its times table. So we're going to look at 12. What numbers have 12 in their times table? Now I'm going to start with the smallest number possible, which is 1. 1 is always a factor of any whole number. So what do we need to multiply 1 by to get to 12? Well, we multiply it by itself. So in this case, 12. 1 times 12 is 12. So therefore 12 is a factor of 12. 1 and the original number are always factors. Now we're going to try the next number up through our list, the number 2. Does 12 appear in the 2 times tables? Yes. So 2 multiplied by 6 gives us 12, therefore 6 is another factor. Let's try 3. Is 12 in the 3 times table? Well, okay, yes. 3 times 4. So 4 is another factor. Now because we've already tried the number 4, let's try the next number in the list, 5. Does 12 appear in the 5 times table? 5, 10, 15... No, it doesn't, so 5 isn't a factor. We've already tried the number 6, so at this point we can actually stop because we know we've probably got all of the other numbers. Now we've got all of our factors, we can list them in order to make things easier for ourselves later on. So moving up through the list in order, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and finally 12. This is how you list the factors of a number. Now it's your turn. You might like to pause here and have a go at trying to find all the factors of 72. Here's a hint. The first 6 factors are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. Did you find all of their partners? Make sure that every single factor you have has its factor pair, a number that can be multiplied by it to give you your original number. Well done if you did manage to find all of them. So now let's look at the highest common factor. We're going to still be looking at factors for 2 different numbers. So here are all the factors for 12 and 18. And what we're looking for is the highest common factor, or HCF. So they're working for the highest or the biggest number which is common to both lists of factors in both lists. These can be abbreviated just as HCF. Now 18 is the biggest number we can see there, but it's not in both lists. 12 isn't, 9 isn't. But if you notice, 6 is in both lists. This is the biggest number, the biggest factor that appears in both of our lists, so we call this one the highest common factor, and giving answer would give the HCF is equal to 6. Yep, you guessed it, your turn again. Have a go at this one. What is the highest common factor of 35 and 63? Be careful on this one, it's a little tricky. Did you manage to find them all? This one's quite difficult because you had to make sure that you found the partner to 3, which is 21. A lot of people will miss that. So now trying to find the HCF, or highest common factor of these 2 numbers, we look to find the biggest number in both lists. In this case, it's 7. 7 appears in both lists, it is the biggest factor, so therefore our HCF is 7. Challenge time! This time I'm looking at the highest common factor. Can you work out what the greatest number of robots could be built? Post your answers in the comment section below. As usual, please do let us know what you thought of the video in the comment section, and if there's anything else you would like to see in future videos, please do let us know. Do remember to add us on Facebook and Twitter at PGSMaths, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for further maths help videos. This is PH, and thank you for watching.